Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be covering what is discrimination in future space. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Discrimination in future space means the ability of speech features to clearly separate different classes of speech data such as phonemes, words and speakers. Guys, whenever we speak any word, we call each character as phoneme. For example, whenever I speak AB, A is one phoneme and B is one phoneme. As both will follow different patterns, system can easily differentiate A and B. If system has capability to separate our speech based on features, then system can easily understand our speech and our system is working properly. For example, I will speak two words. One is cat and next one is bat. Cat and bat both will follow different patterns. So based on patterns, both are discriminated. That is nothing but both are separated based on patterns. So discrimination in future space means separating phonemes, words or speakers by identifying features in the speech. Example, I will speak cat and my friend will speak cat. Even though both are saying same word, voice and speaking style is different for both. As voice and speaking style is different for both, our model can easily discriminate. That is nothing but our model can easily separate my voice and my friend voice, as both will follow different pattern. So based on speech features, phonemes like small units in our sound, they are separated, and words like cat, bat, they are easily separated, and speakers, different people who is speaking same word, they can be easily separated. So in simple terms, discrimination in future space shows how well different speech sounds are separated from each other. If discrimination is done correctly, that is nothing but if separation is done correctly, then our speech recognition system will show output correctly. Accuracy will be high. I will explain some of the important techniques that will discriminate sound. That is nothing but that will differentiate sounds. And the first one is feature selection. Feature selection means choosing important speech features that helps in distinguish different sounds. As name itself says, feature selection. That is nothing but selecting only important features by removing all unnecessary features. And based on that important features, sounds are differentiated. In order to select important features, system will use techniques like MFCC, that is male frequency capsule coefficients, and next one is LPC, where LPC stands for linear predictive coding. Thus, MFCC technique will work same like human ear. Whenever my friends speak, even though there is a lot of noise and background disturbance, still I can hear my friend's voice perfectly. This is because of my human ear. Our ear has capability to hear voice even though there is a lot of background noise and disturbance. MFCC technique will work same like human ear. It will remove all unnecessary features like background noise, disturbance, and it will select only important features. Where LPC stands for linear predictive coding. This model is used to shape our sound. Whenever we give any text, it will give voice. LPC will work same like our mouth. It is used to shape our sound. By using MFCC technique, our system can differentiate phonemes, as each phoneme is represented in different patterns. Based on that patterns, system will separate phonemes. And second one is dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction means reducing all unnecessary information and keeping only important information. So, reducing the number of features while keeping important information. We call it as dimensionality reduction. In order to reduce unnecessary information and select only important information, system will use techniques like PCA, that is principal component analysis, and next one is LDA, that is linear discriminant analysis. By using PCA and LDA technique, system can differentiate words like whenever I say cat and bat, by selecting important features, these both are differentiated. Both are not same. Third one is normalization. Normalization means making all future values on the same scale. As for example, whenever we speak, due to microphone problem or due to speaker problem or due to noise, system will hear our voice differently when compared to actual voice. So normalization means bringing our voice back to original scale. Whenever system brings our voice back to original scale, then voice separation will be easy. And in order to perform normalization, system will use technique like capsule mean normalization. By using this technique, system will bring our voice back to original voice, even though there is microphone or channel difference. And fourth one is feature transformation. Feature transformation means converting features into a better form so that speech classes are more separable. Whenever I speak cat and bat, both are differentiated by using MFCC and LPC techniques. So cat belongs to one group and bat belongs to other group. This is one cluster and this is other cluster. Our model will divide speech into two classes. This is one class and this is other class. For example, I will speak cat and my friend will speak cat. Even though both are speaking same word, by identifying my voice and my friend voice, as both contain different features, cat with my voice falls under one group and cat with my friend's voice falls under other group. We call it as class separation. Yes, for example, whenever I open Google Voice, whenever I speak cat, automatically Google will type cat. It is happened because system has capability to recognize our voice. We trained our model by giving various data like cat, bat, rat, etc. As each word belongs to one class, our model can clearly differentiate words. So future transformation means converting futures into a better form so that speech classes are more separable. Based on futures in our speech, our words are divided into various classes. So we call it as class separability. So class separability means how clearly different speech classes are separated in future space. That is nothing but by identifying various futures in our speech, how our speech is divided into various classes. We call it as class separability. So discrimination in future space is very important in speech recognition. By using techniques like MFCC and LPC, system will separate phonemes, words and speakers. And based on separation, system can clearly recognize our voice. And by using techniques like future selection, dimensionality reduction, normalization and future transformation, system will divide our speech into various classes. Based on that, accuracy will be improved. That is nothing but system can clearly recognize our speech.